Hey, what's up, good people? What's up? Listen, I want to talk about something that might be a little controversial today, but I don't trust this market. I don't trust this market. I'm still here at InvestFest. You could see the Mercedes Center here. That lighting ain't right. Let me do this. And I'll be back. Tuesday. But what I want to say is I don't trust this market. I just don't trust it. And I'm going to say it right now that look at SpaceX, all right? And I know about the shorts covering and I know all of that. Trust me, I did a ton of study on the reasons why SpaceX is going up instead of down, though that there are massive unlocks that will come. And I still believe that the midterm headwinds are still ahead of us. Of course, we had jobs data that if you really go through the jobs data, it was bad, though certain things weren't as bad as expected. The overall job market is weakening, okay? So the Fed may not increase interest rates. As a matter of fact, there are some people saying that he may lower interest rates, right? We'll see. We'll wait and see. But I don't trust this market, good people. I really do not trust this market. I understand why it went up on Friday, but I just don't trust this market. And I know, and I'm gonna tell you why. And I know you go, man, Larry, can we have a good day? Can we have a green day? Yes, we can. Larry, why don't you just be happy? I am happy. My portfolios are up like your guys are up. I'm making a lot of money just like you guys are. I don't want the market to tank. But when it's going up too much at a point where it should be consolidating, and I know Tom Lee said that he expects this month to be good, and this month could be good. I don't believe the whole month is going to be good. I just don't. I still disagree with Tom Lee, but we shall see. But look at SpaceX. SpaceX, I do believe, is setting up a bull trap. I absolutely believe SpaceX is setting up a bull trap. Now, again, there's going to be a psychological level at 100. That doesn't mean it'll hit 100. That means that just before 100-ish, that's why I said 110, 105 is good. Remember, some people bought SpaceX above 200, right? And the people that waited, you got in at a much better price. SpaceX absolutely could fall beneath $100. Absolutely. You could see SpaceX at $75. I don't know. I still believe, like the last video, that it's going to, SpaceX will have a higher price than its evaluation, just like Tesla did, and hold for years that way. Why? Same CEO, the same thing. Just go back to 2018 when Elon was talking about, EVs and electric vehicles and how many there were going to be, and everybody doubted. And, he always talk about numbers, and it's not that he's wrong. He's always early. He gives these boisterous numbers, right? But now, every time you get in your car, you see a Tesla somewhere. So it's a reality now. And people put money in an over-evaluated company based on what they think the future will be and not the evaluation of the company. And I believe SpaceX is going to go through the same thing. I'll talk about this more tomorrow. As it pertains to the overall market, I just think that at some point we're going to have a pullback. I was at 8%, now I'm at a full 10% between now and October. I don't care how much it runs. I don't care if it's green I don't care if the NASDAQ is green every week. If the NASDAQ keeps running up and the S&P keeps running up, then you just have further to fall. And am I saying this? Larry, why do you keep, here I am, referring to myself in the third person again. All right. Trump knows what's best. All right, let me stop. But I will tell you, it's okay to continue. I'm not buying nothing right now. I'm not buying nothing. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I'm personally not buying anything. I'm being thankful. I'm not in fear. I'm just being thankful. I'm being thankful that I have time to accumulate cash. I've done this before. We've been here before. Anybody that's been following me for any period of time, I was talking like this, similar to this. Every time I have, it wind up, this is where I've been 100% accurate. And I haven't been 100% accurate on everything. But when it comes to seeing when the market is overinflated, like at the end of 2021, and I said, hey guys, better start taking some profits. And then 2022, we just had that flush. People didn't understand. You don't understand, Larry, it's the biggest bull market. Listen, when you zoom out, the stock market always wants to go up. But there's times when there's times when the market consolidates, and there's times when you should consolidate with your buying and not just buy, but start to cash up and not buy every dip, okay? I'm in that consolidation right now where I'm taking this time to put stop losses on some stuff that I'm massively over and sell a few shares, not all my shares, so I can cash up. The monthly amount that I put into my brokers, I am doing that and trying to ramp up even more. And I'm going to keep it in cash. This is not every single stock, but the overall stock market, I am cashing up. I am going to be buying more of the NASDAQ ETFs, okay? Whatever version of QQQ that you are buying, whatever version of the S&P 500 that you are buying, whatever ETF you are buying, even as it pertains to AI, chips or anything, ticker symbol DRAM, all of those type of ETFs that you think will explode later, especially in 2027. I think 2027 is going to be a great year. I'm just going to say, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I do in Money Moves. But what I do here is I just tell you guys that Larry is cashing up. And I'm saving some cash for a pullback. And if it doesn't, I still have my stock. I'm not, oh, it's overinflated, I'm selling everything. No, I want you to clearly understand what I'm saying. I do believe that SpaceX is going to turn around, come right back down. I believe it's going to blow back down 115, 110, 105. I do believe Tesla will return to those levels. So I'm not chasing. So do me a favor. Based on what you see and what you know, let me know what you think about in the comment section. What do you think about the overall market, number one? And then because SpaceX is such a big play right now, specifically, let me know what you think, okay? I'm telling you what I'm doing. Remember, you're responsible for your pocketbook, all right? You're responsible for your money. I'm just sharing with you my research, what I see, and what I'm doing, all right? And then, listen, come and join us in Money Moves. Go to more on your device, and then description, and hit that top link and come join us, all right? Let me know in the comment section what you think, and we'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.